Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, everyone, welcome back to our podcast. The podcast we spill out the tea about what is happening behind the scenes here at Iden Body School Pamijahan Bogor. I am your host Kanawa.
And I'm Ayas, your speaker for today. And honestly, this episode has been a long time coming because today we're talking about something that keeps this world working running smoothly. Security.
Yes, security beyond style, not the boring kind you are imagining. Like some TV guy standing at the gate with his arm crossed well. Okay, maybe a little bit of that too. But today we are really going deep into how peons, our Aussies here at Ideal Body School, keep both the school and the asrama safe, disciplined, and honestly still fun.
And I think that's important to say first because a lot of students uh, hear security divisions and they immediately think it's catered for obstetrics. And but it's actually rooted in something way deep about amanah, trust and responsibility.
Exactly. In pesantren environment like ours, security isn't just about rules for the sake of rules. It connects straight back to our values, discipline, ukhuwah Islamiyah. Taking care of yourself and taking care of your brother and brother here.
Beautifully said, Kanawa. Okay, let's start from the ground up. The most everyday job feels great if those is ticket of we have to ticket at canteen for knowing was or keep clean our canteen.
Yes, picket canteen. So every single day, Clean Line Division doing picket canteen with his members. Uh, and peons member also are assigned to canteen duty during the breakfast time, lunch time, and
Step.
okay.
So, so true. We are making sure the land stays open gently. Nobody cutting in the front of the younger santry. Nobody sneaking food with praying and honestly just uh, keeping chaotic. chaotic. Just keeping the whole vibe calm instead of chaotic.
Okay. So we are making sure the line stays orderly, nobody cutting in front of the younger son, nobody sneaking food without praying, and honestly just keeping the wall five calm instead of chaotic. So, security department and finance department also make the country the vibe is calm and there's no chaotic in there, like recently angry if somebody cutting his line and any other chaotic business.
And actually, it's a small job on the paper, but it teach your patents. Yeah, you're literally standing there being calm in the middle of the storm every single time.
And I remember my first week doing picket canteen. Uh, I was very nervous. Like, what if a senior ignores me when I ask them to line up properly? So, if you want to do a picket canteen, you must have you must brave to ask your senior for uh, make the line is properly. And alhamdulillah, I already been assist Green Liners for 3 months, and I already become navigators, so I am the senior here.
So, and also this is classic beginner here, but that's the beauty of Jones. You build confidence fast because you have because you must have to responsible with your job and others.
Okay, okay, let's Uh, moving on. Let's talk about something a lot of listeners might not even know happens. Is the laundry patrol, or we can say in bahasa is pengambilan baju. So, cleanliness department adding new agenda is pengambilan baju. So every pray obligation pray is after zuhur, after isya, after subuh is all all not us cleanliness department is patrolling for taking some clothes. That clothes is staying at the bedroom.
So, also in Department of Security, we have to patrolling or what is its name? Or we ter- go around of IDN. So we must do patrolling if we have of or we seen the people go outside of mosque. So we just write his name or yeah, write his name. After that, we must to give punishment that for making him becoming for making him um, becoming disciplined.
So right before when after azan, security department uh, searching around for looking people who didn't go to mosque. So right after we all finished praying together in Jamaah, the finance team use their patrol to help coordinate santri picking up their clothes in the bedroom and not left behind. And for the clothes is given when Jumat. So every Jumat we will giving the clothes back.
And it can, but when becoming peon, it can be awkward at first because we wake up all of our friends and our roommates. But after a while, you realize it's just part of looking out of each other. Like uh, if we not reminder our friends, and who cares with you?
Okay. It's uh, it's honestly a good example how the division in peons work together. Security jobs, it's keeping things safe and orderly. Kebersihan or cleanliness job is keeping things clean and organized.
And exactly, and that's honestly the part I think uh, outsiders don't fully understand about Ayung Municipality security here isn't what isn't understand about historic value, it is expression of them.
Okay, right. So let's explain it properly. Every time azan is taught, especially for salat berjamaah, beyond security member go around each asrama, each dorm block, and to check who is actually getting up and heading to the mosque and who is, let us say, uh, still in dreams or still in sleeping. So, school department make santri go to mosque.
Yeah, that is one of our job that we already do it. Uh, about around one semester, one half semester. Yeah, we do it that activity, routine activity, and also we have connection with counseling teachers. So if we have to getting the students that is it not disciplined or have problems with uh, each other, so we will reporting to their uh, we reporting to counseling teachers. So the counseling teachers will talking with him about why you doing like that, what the value of that. So that's all for the program that we are already making, or we are already do it in one half semester.
Okay, let's shift gears a little last major activity. And honestly, this favorite activity that I'll stand for waiting for it is about JJP, or we can say is Jalan-Jalan Pagi.
Yeah. So exactly in the what in Sunday we have in every morning of Sunday we have to doing uh, DJP or in bahasa is jalan-jalan pagi. So we walking from IDN until Pasar Jumat. So we in Pasar Jumat we can doing actually is it only shopping the food or eating the food that we already buy. After that, we going here again. Um, exactly, we're handling that. So later there is two people in the front and two people in the middle of what the line, and after that in one people again in the back. So I have 6 members in security department. So uh, there is 3 sides that we guarding of all of the all of the what the name all of the students. Next.
Yeah, that's right. DJP is worldwide Tuesday every Sunday morning. Santi go out for this big morning walk on the Pamijahan. As I say, DJP is doing it every Sunday morning, and we're walking from Iden for our school Iden Pamijahan to Pasar Jumat. And in Pasar Jumat we can buy some snacks or any others or some stuff. Basically, making sure everyone stays together. So, school department basically making sure everyone stays together in the groups, no matter when it's off somewhere they are not supposed to, especially they're outside the pesantren gets to DJP. And plus, for the department is making the groups is organized and making everyone is stay together. And yeah.
What? What? What's your so okay, can you repeat your question before? I'm not understanding.
Okay. So, security department basically making sure everyone stays together in the groups. Nobody wanders off somewhere they're not supposed to, especially since we are outside.
Yeah.
Lebih santai guys di DJP.
Yeah. If there is DJP, we're handling that, and also there is some activity that we're handling, seems like classmates or others. Okay. So maybe that's all for now.
Okay, and I think that's all. For me, I am very sorry if I have any mistakes as the host, and Ayash for the speaker. My name is Kanawa. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alright.